Hey, welcome back. I'm super excited to see you again. This proves that you are among the top 5% in the world as you are an action taker. In next 10 minutes, your entrepreneurial journey is going to change phenomenally. Below I have shared how together we can come up with a breakthrough idea, problem solving product than just any product, how we can build your brand and get paying customers launching your business in 90 days. Some may take little more time as it varies from business to business. Irrespective of that, we can co-create wealthy business from scratch. Being said that, if you want to work with me, then you have to go through an application and qualification process to see are we a good fit together. Before that, I will explain how it works, how will I coach and mentor you, your investment in coaching and mentoring, your average investment in your business and the cost structure. And finally, application and qualification process so that to make sure are we a good fit together to co-create your business. If you are a bad fit to me, I don't want to work with you. If I am a bad fit to you, I don't want you to work with me. We both need to be a good fit to co-create your business together so that we can create your business smoothly and successfully. Makes sense, right? Here we go, how it works, what we will build. We are going to discover your passion, market problem with simple research techniques to build a strong foundation. Next, we are going to find a winning solution with simple research techniques so we can start strong. Next, we are going to create value proposition to deliver the value to the market space. It's what got you to this page. Next, we are going to discover various business models and finalize on wealthy business model. Next, we are going to create sales conversion systems to get paying customers when you are in sleep. How will I coach and mentor you? Over the 90 days period, we will go over every step of the process from discovery to devotion, building a sustainable wealthy business. Next, you will receive regular message and self-explanatory videos where I show exactly what you should be doing to succeed. Next, you will be invited to live weekly coaching sessions where I personally coach and mentor to help you. Next, you will be added to a members only community for more support and accountability. I'm going to coach you this by demonstration. No theory or long-winded filler. You're literally going to discover the problem, solution and product or service, dive into a market space where nobody knows you and start getting customers from scratch. We will do this in 3 phases. Phase 1, wealthy business model. The first few days we will focus on building with an idea you are passionate about. We will also make sure it's an idea that could sell. This is super important as you can imagine. Phase 2, wealthy business funnel. We will move into how to start building your brand, positioning and getting your first customer. I will be showing you how to do that using an approach I created. I call it as integral wealthy branding. It's what got you here. Next, phase 3, wealthy implementation. Finally, near the end of the 90 days, we will start selling. You literally see me create a brand in the market, nobody knows you, acquire customers and activate those customers, you looking over my shoulders entire time. I will show you everything, the ad accounts, how I make the web pages, literally everything. After the 90 days, you will have a complete knowledge of how to get customers online or offline or any industry. One important disclaimer, this is business. Business has risks and there are no guarantees if you don't take right action. Being said, don't take my word for the granted. Check below what few of my clients mentees are talking about me. They had successfully built their business without reinventing the wheel. Who is this for? This is for you if you're scared to start a new business. This is for you if you're a startup struggling to grow your business and don't know what went wrong. This is for you if you are highly passionate about something and want to turn your passion into world-class brand but scared of not having any experience and burning your money. This is for you if you got fed up with your existing job and want to write your own paycheck by starting a business with zero failure rate without quitting your job. This is for you. If you are a self-employed and want to become a business owner and unable to know what went wrong and how to brainstorm and troubleshoot to own your own business. This is for you. If you are a business owner and want to scale your business with profitability, sustainability and scalability, but unable to do so as you are unaware of facts, what and where went wrong, and unable to dive into insights and troubleshoot those. Isn't it awesome for you? Next, let's look into investment and cost structure. If we consider average investment of around 6 to 7 lakhs, let's take a figure of around 6.5 lakhs. From that investment, we are going to invest 10% on coaching, that's 65,000, 4% or 5% roughly on logo and trademark registrations, that's around 26,000, and 30% on product, that comes around 1,95,000 to 2 lakh rupees, and 7% around on branding, that comes to around 45,000 to 45,500, and next 10% on packaging, that comes around 65,000, and 35% on marketing, that comes around 2,25,500, and 4% on commercials, that comes around 26,000. So if you sum up all, it comes around 6,50,000. Since we consider an investment of 6 to 7 lakhs, I have taken an average figure of 6,50,000 and shown you the cost structure, where and how you need to strategically invest with an asset-light model with a lean startup principle. I hope you have got a clear idea now. Before you invest that much amount, I suggest you to go through with phase 1, that is discovering business model, then directly going to phase 2 and phase 3, which are business execution. Let me share you the details of Wealthy Business Model, the heart of any business. It's a 6 weeks phenomenon to learn the basics of any business strategically and build your business strategically with execution excellence. Here is what you get with Wealthy Business Model. Module 1, Wealthy Business Orientation. Module 2, Wealthy Business Model Context. Module 3, The Wealthy Entrepreneur. Module 4, Wealthy Brainstorming on Business Models. Value worth rupees 29,500. Module 5, Goal Devotion. Value worth rupees 59,200. Module 6, Wealthy Entrepreneur Mindset. Value worth rupees 11,800. Module 7, Skill Sets of Wealthy Entrepreneur. Value worth rupees 11,800. Module 8, Discovering Market Problem. Value worth rupees 11,800. Module 9, Discovering Markets. Value worth rupees 11,800. Module 10, Discovering Customers. Value worth rupees 11,800. Module 11, Discovering Value Proposition. Value worth rupees 11,800. Module 12, Discovering Business Models. Value rupees 11,800. If you want above modules as an individual sessions with me, the total value of the Wealthy Business Model itself values at 1,71,300 and also takes a minimum of 12 weeks if we are a good fit together. That's not all. I have a special gift for the action takers. Gift 1, Personal Leadership, the preface to any wealthy career. Value worth rupees 11,800, which is absolutely free for you if you are investing in Wealthy Business Model. Gift 2, Wealthy Leadership, the preface to any wealthy business. Value worth rupees 11,800, absolutely free if you are investing on Wealthy Business Model. Gift 3, Wealthy Leadership Roadmap, the guide to any wealthy business. Value worth rupees 29,500, absolutely free if you are investing today on Wealthy Business Model. Gift 4, Wealthy Business Roadmap, the core of any wealthy business. Value worth rupees 29,500, absolutely free if you are investing today on Wealthy Business Model. Gift 5, Wealthy Clarity Session, 30 minutes clarity session. Value worth rupees 11,800, absolutely free. The value of the bonuses itself are 94,400. The total value of the Wealthy Business Bundle is rupees 2,65,700. I want to help as many as entrepreneurs as I can. I can't help even though I love to, because in one-to-one mentoring and coaching I can't help as many as entrepreneurs I will to. So to help as many as entrepreneurs as I can, I have automated everything and created these coaching sessions and online mentoring, and I have bundled this at just rupees 29,500. Yeah, you heard it right, just rupees 29,500. This is part of my mission, which is to turn 100,000 entrepreneurs into a wealthy entrepreneurs. The core reason is I don't want others to suffer the way I have suffered and built my business with hard way. I wanted to offer you the easy way, so that with these sessions you can avoid lots of time, energy and money. So as a special offer today, I am offering this entire bundle at rupees 29,500. If you're really serious and sincere enough and have that investment, then for the next few hours I am opening my limited special offer. You can just get started at 11,800 only. This is purely at the cost of my 30 minutes clarity session. With that cost, you are going to get the entire Wealthy Business bundle. If you divide it by per session cost, you will be just paying $694 per session, which is nothing but a peanut price. That's absolutely near to nothing. If you don't have this much investment, then literally this Wealthy Business model is purely designed for you. Because when you don't have the kind of investment you wanted to invest on yourself first to increase your business, then you need a support. This is what many calls it as a great opportunity. You don't get this offer across anywhere in my website. This is a special offer on this page only. You can get started at this link harshad.com/WBM, and here is the coupon code WBM1. If you still have doubts whether it works or not works for you, I have a risk-free offer for you. After you enrolled and felt that this coaching session is not worth and isn't great enough, or you didn't find the value, then on the 7th day you send me a private message asking for the refund. I will transfer back your 11,800 with no questions asked or no strings attached. So it's a 7-day money back guarantee, because I don't want to work with you if we are not a good fit. So this is absolutely no brainer and 100% risk free. So what are you waiting for? Click on this link or click on the below button, enroll me to WBM, and you can start right away. Once you click on the link or the button below, you will be taken to a payment gateway here, and you can click on coupon code, entering your details and enter the coupon code to get 17,700 discount. Once you completely finish the Wealthy Business model phase 1, then you can take further step with clarity, focus, strategy and execution excellence. Because by that time you will be with an informed decision. And also by that time you would have been unstoppable with a bulletproof mindset and with a new entrepreneur mindset. So what are you waiting for? Click on enroll me to WBM and get started right away. Thank you, and I see you on the other side.